Hi guys, our coffee place is still closed. It's winter in Sweden, as you can see behind me. But we are still working, so right now we are working in the kitchen, we are experimenting new recipes, and we are filming some recipes that we can do. So I was filming 2 recipes this morning, and now it's my cafe au lait break. So I was thinking to make a latte for myself. And I was thinking about something. Today I would like to try to use this oat milk or oat drink, I should say. To be honest, I never use it. Sometimes we make some latte or cappuccino to some of our customers, especially the one who are lactose intolerant. So I was thinking to try it because it can be interesting, you know, new taste. I mean, we'll see how it's gonna be. I usually use the regular milk for myself, which is this one. So this is Swedish milk, very good, 3% fat. And this one is actually even better, and I think it costs a little bit less, but it's steaming perfectly, and the taste is also great. Anyway, I would like to try to make my cafe au lait or latte now. Let's go. Hi again guys, I just changed the camera's position. You know, it's very low budget production here, so we do as we can, but it's gonna work. So now I'm gonna show you how I make coffee. It can also be interesting for you to see these things. Maybe you know, so that's great. Maybe you don't know, so if I can show you a few things that I know, I will be delighted to teach you. I'm gonna try to show you. Good. I'm gonna put approx 21 grams coffee from there, you know, from the beans, in this. Then I will use my compressore, my tamper, I think you say in English. So I will use my tamper there. I will press the coffee and just turn a little bit up. So you have to press, not too soft, not too hard. So in the middle, it's hard to describe, but you know, put some energy into it, but not too much. And usually, I have a little trick I'll try to show you. I put my arm straight, like 90 degrees up. Then I do like this, tick, tack. Okay, let's try to make it. I'm gonna use this cup, which is approx 3-4 deciliter. I think it's 4 deciliter. And what I do when I make a latte, I divide the cup in 5 parts. I divide in my head, of course. So usually it's approx 1/2 of espresso. The rest is milk. 2/5 of the milk will be steamed milk, and the last layer is foamed milk. Okay, so 1/5, the last part, will be the foamed milk. So let's try to make it now. Okay, so I'm gonna put the coffee there, the portafilter, I should say. So here, now we're gonna take our oat drink in the pitcher. So here we're gonna take it inside. We open here, put it there. Okay, when it's very hot, when you can't keep your hand under the pitcher, remove it and count 3 seconds. This is how I usually do. So you see, it's the milk steamed pretty much, and foamed, I should say, because I put milk until there, approx, and now the milk went up there, yeah, or there. It's hard to show, but you see, it's almost full. So it means that I got approx this air inside, so that's nice. Little bit too much, to be honest, but we're gonna see. So, two things to do now: to start your espresso there, and to clean the pipe. Otherwise, the milk will stay inside, and that's not good at all. So you clean there. There you can stir a little bit at the same time. You see here it's very thick there, so I'm gonna wait. I wait my espresso. Okay, the espresso is off. So look, I'm gonna take the milk there because I have so much foam on the top. No. And I'm gonna re-put it inside again. You have some bubbles in, so just knock it a little bit, and now I'm gonna put the milk inside. So you can start first there to stir it. It's hard to show you like that, but and then I will just put it in the middle to get some foam here. So this is what you get, and you see here you got, I really make a lot of foam today, so I got almost 1/3 of the cup, you know. I should have get little less, but it's good, it's good. We can say it's between latte and espresso. Sometimes I take my little tool here and I make a heart. So if you take it, I just check on the camera, you see, yes. So you take it here, and you go like that here, you see. So guys, this is the latte I got. So you see the proportion. Okay, we can say we have 1/4 of a scoop. Here you have milk until the middle, so 1/4 milk, steamed milk, and 2/4, so 1/2, 2/4. I hope it's not complicated for you, it's nothing crazy, but 1/2 is espresso here. Let's try now. Of course, the taste is not the same as regular milk, but I have to say it's very good. I have to say it's great. So I will have a couple of this in the future. Okay, I hope you learned a few things, you know. Like I said to you before, or not, I don't remember, but I'm not expert barista, but I still can show you a little, some tricks, you know, or some things you should know about making latte, cappuccino, and coffee in general. So I'm really happy to share with you what I'm experimenting. Take care, guys.